After we all have heard songs from Mariah Carey and George Michael about what they want for Christmas, there is this special time that Germans call between the years. That is when most traders want to buy themselves a Christmas present that actually will improve their results. That is when the TV stations start to show the summary of what happened in the last year. That is when we step on the scale and it shows that we gained a whopping 5 pounds or so within 3 days. And just a few days later everybody is going to sign a gym contract to get fit for the next year. I think people spend a lot of money for New Year's resolutions because it actually feels like it is really going to happen. January seems the month when we all desperately want to change our life, we want to train for the next season. And now you can do that for automated trading without any further cost. Just use the coupon code below this video and get started with a demo version. No cost, no obligation, no time restrictions. The only catch is that it will only work with original MetaQuotes demo accounts. You don't need to wait to get started on the 1st of January 2023. You can start right away. So put on your trading sneakers, get the Platin System demo version and the demo course today and get fit for 2023.